Hello, in today's video I'm going to show you how I create the double crochet, and I will be creating this double crochet on a row of half double crochet for this demonstration. So I created the half double crochet row. I'm just gonna crochet one stitch and turn my work, and I'm just gonna make a single crochet right here just to keep this even as we go along on the row. All right, so you're going to yarn over, take your hook, and you're going to push it through underneath this chain, which is the V right here. Grab a loop, pull it up, yarn over, and I turn my hook down so that it doesn't snag on through, and I'm just going to pull it through two, and then make sure your loops go over the shank area right here. Yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, go under the chain, grab a loop, pull it up, yarn over, pull through two, pull through two. All right, and the rest of this video I'm just going to demonstrate. All right, I hope you found this video helpful. Please be sure to like and leave me a comment and let me know what other videos you would like me to make. All right, bye-bye. See you in the next video.